Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I never say that, but if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. So today I'm actually going to be doing a Louis Vuitton bag unboxing. I'm so excited. So I have done, I think, only one of these videos on my channel before and got a lot of love. I did it when I was in Hawaii. I just recently got a new purse, so I thought I would just unbox it with you guys on camera. This is a brand new bag, I think barely even a week old. I'll explain that later in the video, but yeah, so I'm gonna be unboxing my new bag and I will get into what it's called and all that in a minute. But if you guys want to see me unbox my brand new purse, then just keep watching. So a little backstory, I have been on the hunt for a new Louis Vuitton bag for a while, a couple weeks, a month, 2 months, I don't really know. And I have a lot of Gucci and Prada, and I do have a lot from Louis Vuitton actually, but I don't know, more recently I've been buying more Gucci and more Prada and more other brands. So I was looking on Louis Vuitton's website and was trying to find a bag that I was in love with and that I wanted to buy. And to be honest with you, there wasn't like any that stood out to me. This was like a couple weeks ago, by the way. There was nothing that like really stood out to me and that I wanted. The ones that I did end up liking, I already have bags that are very similar to that, so it just didn't make sense. So even though this one that I got is kind of similar to my other bags. Anyway, so this bag released, like I said, a week ago, I think. I saw it on Instagram. I follow this like Louis Vuitton sales person and she posted it, and I thought it was just like a bag that hasn't been released yet, because I was like, no, this is too beautiful to even be real. So I did go on the Louis Vuitton website immediately after seeing that post, and I went to the new handbags, and there it was, this handbag that I had seen. And for those of you who are wondering, it is called the new chain bag, but they literally changed the name yesterday, for online at least, because I've been looking at the website every day for the past like 5 or 6 days, and it was always the new chain bag. But then yesterday, right before I bought it, they changed it to the Passy, P-A-S-S-Y. So anyways, when I saw it on Louis Vuitton's website, it was already out of stock, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me. I looked at my closest stores that had it in stock, and I think a lot of stores actually do have this bag still in stock, but the closest one to me was 5 hours away. And I'm sure you can get them to like ship it to you, but I don't know. I was just like, no, I'm just gonna wait. I checked the website every single day to see if it was like back in stock online, and then also checking my local store in Charlotte. And it was yesterday, Wednesday, January 13th, when I bought this bag. It actually came in stock on Tuesday, January 12th, and I made the decision that night to go to Charlotte in the morning to pick this bag up. Yeah, so it's sold out online, but I would definitely check your local stores if you guys are interested. They probably will restock it since it is brand new, and they do have the notify me button available as an option to sign up for emails. And usually when they do that, that means that the bag should be coming in stock. Don't quote me on it, but yeah, so I guess this is kind of like a hard to find bag right now, since it is new and out of stock and you have to find it in stores. But the good thing is I checked on the map in the US, and like a lot of stores have it, so just check your local stores. But this is literally the Louis Vuitton bag of my dreams. I have never seen a more beautiful bag from Louis Vuitton than this, in my opinion. I mean, everybody's opinion is different, but like, I've always wanted Louis Vuitton to come out with a bag that's similar to my Gucci GG Marmont Model Lancé shoulder crossbody bags, because I have 2 of the small ones, 1 mini, and then 1 super mini of those. I love them so much. And I know that Louis Vuitton does have a new wave collection, very similar to the Gucci Marmont collection, but I just didn't personally like those as good as the Gucci version, if that makes sense. So this bag does retail for $2,430 US, which is so expensive. I think that's the most money I've ever spent on a designer handbag ever. So yeah, with tax I spent $2,606. Don't tell me why I memorized that, but I did. So I actually went yesterday to get this bag, and I drove 2 hours to Charlotte, North Carolina, and I asked them, I was like, do you have this bag? And they were like, I believe so. I think we just got it in. It's brand new, blah, blah, blah. She checked, she couldn't find it. I had an anxiety attack, and then she found it. I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm super excited. I will try it on for you guys, so you guys can see what it looks like on a miniature person. I'm not miniature, that was a little dramatic. On a 5 foot even human being. This is the bag that came in, and then this is the box that it came in. super, super excited. And then my, about said check, that doesn't make sense. My receipt is in the bag. So yeah, that's good, I guess. All right, so I'm just going to slide the ribbon off. I'm so excited. Okay. So I'm gonna open it. And as you guys can see, it comes in a dust bag. And okay, I'm gonna try and set this up so you guys will be able to see the bag. I'm not sure. I'll set it right there. Okay. Can you see it? I'm not really sure. I'll show it to you guys, don't worry. Okay. I'm gonna cry, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's so surreal to me. Like, I cannot believe that I own this bag. And in my defense, you guys, I haven't bought a purse in a while. Like since August, I think I bought my Prada re-edition, the nude color. I bought that one in August. And then I did get a new purse for Christmas, but I didn't buy that one. My parents gifted that to me for Christmas. So I haven't bought a new purse in a while for me. So this is just really exciting. I'm just like, ugh. So this is what the bag looks like. I hope the lighting's good. I'm using natural sunlight and the sun is going down, but I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. I am literally obsessed. It is like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. All right, let's open her up. She does have a sticker on her. Why do I keep calling it her? So it does have a sticker and it's got bubbles in it, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna probably take the plastic off. Otherwise, I would keep it on there to protect the little black emblem. I didn't even describe the bag. Okay, so basically it's the monogram canvas and it's got this black LV emblem on it and it's outlined in gold and it's got a gold chain strap with a leather strap, as you guys can see. So you can wear this bag two ways. I'll get into that. But I did try this on in the store and it fit. I thought the strap was adjustable, but it's not. But I'm lucky because it hits me like perfectly. So you open it up. It's a little magnetic open and close. And then this is what the inside looks like. So you get one big pocket, a zip up pocket, and a little front pocket. I love it so much, you guys. And then in the back, it has a little pocket. You could stick like a couple of cards, a mask even. You could honestly fit more than it looks in that little pocket. So I was actually gonna buy the pochette Métis a couple months ago, and I liked it and then I didn't like it, and I was just kind of like back and forth. I didn't like the shape of it. I thought it was too flat, and I'll insert a picture on the screen if you guys don't know what I'm talking about. And the strap is just like the canvas and it isn't like a chain, and I didn't like the shape of the bag, but I liked how it was like the monogram and it was a crossbody, and so that's what I loved about that bag. I ended up not getting it and I'm so glad that I didn't, you guys. That would have been a huge mistake since they just came out with this and it is literally 10 times better to me in my opinion. This one is $400 more than the pochette Métis. So if you are looking for a more affordable option, that one's pretty similar. But anyways, yeah, okay, so the inside does have a burgundy lining. I think they call this old burgundy. I'm not really sure, but it's beautiful. It's really soft and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the shoulder. It just looks like that. So cute, we love her. And now for the crossbody, you just go like this. And then, try not to get my hair stuck in it. Okay. That's where it hits on me. Literally the perfect size. I will pull my sweatshirt up so you guys can see where it hits me better. I'm just like in shock, you guys. Anyways, that is everything I guess I'm gonna talk about. I don't really know what else there is to show or talk about. I'll give you another close-up. It's beautiful. It's even more beautiful in person. I just love the versatility of this bag. I love how you can wear it as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. That's exactly why I keep buying the Gucci ones, because I love the versatility of that. I just think that it is just absolutely gorgeous. It's my new favorite handbag, hands down. So I will have a link down below if you guys are interested. And I know it's out of stock, but just sign up for the email list and hopefully you'll get notified when they bring it back in stock. Also, let me know if you guys want me to do a what's in my purse for this bag. I will totally do that. I know I just did one with my new Prada bag that I got for Christmas, but it wouldn't hurt to do another one because this bag is a lot bigger, so I can fit more in it. So let me know if you guys would want to see that down below. Or I could even do like a comparison video between this and my Gucci ones, or any bag, honestly. Just let me know what you guys want to see. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen right here, and also listed and linked in the description box below. Let me know if you guys want me to keep doing unboxing videos. I had a lot of fun filming this and sharing this special moment with you guys on camera, and I hope you guys like unboxing videos. Yeah, let me know what videos you guys want to see from me next, and I hope you guys don't think that I'm trying to brag in this video, because I'm literally not at all. Like I said, I haven't bought a purse in a really long time, and I wasn't planning on buying a purse anytime soon until I saw Louis Vuitton. It came out with my dream bag. It's literally like Louis Vuitton was like reading my mind, because this is the most perfect bag for me. Like, fits all my requirements and all my needs and wants, and I'm just so happy. So yeah, all right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.